So there's my little friend. I'm gonna sing for my friend, so don't mind my whistling, but my friend loves my whistling. So here we go. Take a bow, Mr. Hawk. Take a bow, take a bow, take a bow. Did you like that? Did you like that? My mouth tired. My mouth tired. One more? Okay. Bounce, 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 bounce. Oh, you like it. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Yay! You're welcome. You're welcome, bud. I'm out tired now, man. I can't sing anymore. So just go on and fly and freestyle, okay? Yeah, I know. Thanks for the company. Yeah. All right, let me see how close I can get to you without you flying away. All right, so here we go. All right, I'm gonna. Wow. Wow, you have skills, bud. They usually have really great eyesight, by the way. I mean, they can see an ant from miles. Ah, that's it. You saw me.